Have you noticed your vision getting blurry lately, even though you're doing everything right? If you're over 60 and find yourself squinting more, rubbing your eyes, or struggling to read the same books you used to enjoy, you're not alone. Blurry vision is common as we age, but here's the good news. It's often caused by small, everyday issues that are completely fixable. This isn't about surgery or scary diagnoses. It's about simple, powerful habits you can use to protect and even improve your eyesight. In this video, we're diving into 5 common but often overlooked reasons why your vision might be blurry, and more importantly, what you can do to see clearly again. Stick around till the end because the final tip is one most people ignore, and it could make a huge difference for your eye health. Number 1. Dry eyes from reduced tear production. One of the top reasons seniors experience blurry vision is also one of the easiest to miss: dry eyes. As we age, our tear production naturally slows down. What once kept our eyes smooth and moist becomes a trickle, causing irritation, fatigue, and blurry vision. And here's the twist: dry eyes don't always feel dry. Sometimes they feel watery, itchy, or just off. When the surface of your eye isn't hydrated, light scatters instead of focusing properly. That's what gives you that foggy, inconsistent blur. So, what can you do? Hydrate. Drink enough water throughout the day. It helps your body, and your eyes, stay moist. Use artificial tears. Over-the-counter lubricating drops, especially preservative-free ones, can be a game changer. Adjust your environment. Avoid ceiling fans blowing directly at your face. Use a humidifier at night, and wear wraparound glasses when outdoors. Check your meds. Some blood pressure and allergy medications dry out your eyes. Speak with your doctor if you suspect a side effect. Number 2. Lens stiffness from presbyopia. As you age, you might notice that reading menus, phone screens, or even medicine labels becomes more difficult. You stretch your arm out farther and farther just to see clearly. This is likely due to presbyopia, a natural stiffening of the lens inside your eye. When you're younger, your lens easily adjusts focus between near and far. But over time, it loses flexibility. This doesn't mean something is wrong. It's simply a natural part of aging. Here's how you can manage it. Try adjustable focus reading glasses or progressive lenses instead of drugstore readers. These options help reduce the strain of constant refocusing. Train your focus. Practice near-far focusing. Look at something close, then shift your gaze to something across the room. Just a few minutes a day can help keep your eye muscles engaged. Improve your lighting. Good lighting makes a big difference. Avoid dim spaces when reading or doing detailed work. Mind your posture. Keep books or screens at a comfortable distance and at eye level to reduce strain. Presbyopia might be unavoidable, but how you handle it makes all the difference. With the right tools and habits, you can reduce the blur and feel more in control of your vision again.
Número 3. Por circulación de eyes.
Blurry vision isn't always just about the eyes. It can be a sign of poor circulation. As we age, our blood vessels can become narrower and less efficient, reducing the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. If you notice your vision gets fuzzy when you stand up or your eyes tire more quickly, sluggish circulation could be the cause.
Simple ways to boost circulation.
Move daily. Gentle activities like walking, stretching, or even light chair exercises help get your blood flowing. Eat circulation-boosting foods, omega-3s from fish or flax seeds, and eye-healthy nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin found in leafy greens and eggs. Stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation. Even a small increase in water intake can help. Talk to your doctor. If you're on medication for blood pressure or cholesterol, ask how it might be affecting your eyes. Remember, your eyes are part of a bigger system. Supporting your overall circulation supports your vision, too.
Número 4. Digital eye strain.
Let's face it, screens are everywhere, even for seniors. Whether it's texting the grandkids, reading the news, or streaming your favorite show, screen time adds up. But too much of it can lead to digital eye strain. When you stare at screens, you blink less, drying out your eyes. Plus, blue light from screens makes focusing harder, causing fatigue and yes, blurriness.
Protect your eyes with these screen habits.
Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Adjust your screen, increase text size, reduce brightness, and use night mode or blue light filters. Use proper lighting. Don't watch screens in dark rooms. Add soft light around you to reduce contrast. Consider blue light glasses. Even if you don't need prescription lenses, these can reduce strain during screen time. With just a few smart habits, you can enjoy your screens without sacrificing your eyesight. Number 5. Nutritional deficiencies. Here's one cause most people overlook: your diet. As you get older, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients, and your eyes suffer because of it. Lacking vitamins A, C, and E, plus minerals like zinc and selenium, can cause your vision to fade slowly and subtly. What to do? Eat eye-healthy foods. Vitamin A, carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes.
Vitamin C, oranges, strawberries, broccoli.
Vitamin E and zinc, almonds, sunflower seeds, eggs, beans. Be consistent. One healthy meal a month won't help. Make these foods part of your daily routine. Consider supplements. If you have dietary restrictions, ask your doctor about high-quality eye supplements. Don't forget water. Dehydration affects circulation and tear production, both critical for clear vision. Tracking your meals in a food journal for a few days can open your eyes, literally, to what your body may be missing.
Final thoughts.
Blurry vision in your later years doesn't always mean something is seriously wrong. Often, it's your eyes asking for a little more care. And the best part: none of these solutions are complicated or expensive. Stay hydrated. Move a little each day. Add more greens and healthy fats to your meals. Adjust your lighting.
Take intentional screen breaks.
Each small habit builds toward clearer, more comfortable vision. Aging doesn't mean giving up. It means getting smarter about how you take care of yourself. Your eyesight is still worth protecting, and you are still in control. So, which of these tips are you ready to try first? Let us know in the comments. Was there something you hadn't considered before? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. Your support helps us keep creating content that informs, empowers, and inspires.